let's talk a little bit about file management. First of all, I'm going to prepare the desktop environment. I have a WEB140 folder, and because I've already completed one assignment, it's no longer empty. I have a WEB140 data folder, and that's where I'm going to keep my course lesson files that came with the textbook until I'm ready to use them. Because as we know, our local root folder should exactly mirror our server root folder with the exception of whatever project's in progress. I'm going to demonstrate briefly how we do that. So I have my zipped Dreamweaver Creative Cloud 2014 zip folder right here. I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to click Extract All. Then for destination, I'm going to browse, and I'm going to select my WEB140 data folder. Then I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to click Extract. It's going to take a couple minutes for this to complete because there are 523 items in this folder. It's a rather large file. Okay, when that's complete, I can view my WEB140 data folder and see that it contains all of the lessons that I just extracted. The lessons must be out of the zipped folder before you can use them. You'll have issues, all kinds of issues, if you try to do it otherwise. Occasionally I'll let you think that it works, but it does not. So I'm going to close this. Now I'm getting ready to work on lesson 3. So this is the one and only time that I can do something outside of the actual Dreamweaver environment. I'm going to double click on my WEB140 data folder. I'm going to select lesson 03. I'm going to right click. I'm going to copy lesson 03. I'm going to close my data folder. I'm going to double click on my WEB140 root folder and right click. Then I'm going to paste my lesson 3 folder into my WEB140 root folder. Prior to doing any work at all, prior to doing anything, this is the only time that I can work outside of the Dreamweaver environment entirely, before I've done any work. Otherwise, you'll have all kinds of issues. This is part 1, File Management, WEB140, Learning Module 3, HTML and CSS.